Okay, I thought you might like to see some other stuff that I use. I make videos a lot. If you want to make a video where you're discussing some stuff with your students, let me actually see if I can find an activity. Okay, so let's say, for example, I wanted to do this activity with my students. What I do a lot of times is I go ahead and do a print screen. So different computers are different. Some you can just hit print screen. Sometimes you have to hit like control print screen. If this pops up, I just go ahead and open Paint. If it doesn't, open Paint and then hit Control V and your image will pop up in there. So I'm going to hit Paint and I think it's going to go ahead and put mine in there for me. You can see it duplicated my little video. But anyway, so then I just click up here and I select rectangular section and I can cut that stuff out. So if I just want them looking at this activity, then I hit crop and that's all they're going to see now. Okay. And so then if I want to do this activity with them, and it says, you know, select a logical response for each statement or question. So if it says like, so I might do this, I might want to, I still am on select, move it over, so that I can match, I can like take this and then match the answer to the question if I want to do that. Maybe instead I just want to, you know, highlight the answer, then I can circle the, I can click the circle. I'm going to change the size because this one's kind of big, make it small, and I could like circle it like that, or I could circle the whole thing, or I could, you know, circle this right here, or maybe I want to, you know, write something and say, you know, normally when someone greets themselves, it's polite to say good morning. So I could say, you know, normally when someone tells us their name, whoops. And you could go from there. If you wanted to draw, you can click on the pen and like write something to your students, you know, if you would rather do it. I have a hard time writing, so I don't like to use the writing feature, but you can see there's all these different things you could do, and I'm doing all this in vidgrid. So then when I'm done with vidgrid, I have this video, which I did this whole drawing. I mean, I did some activities. So I don't know if that would help anybody as well. So I just thought I'd put it out there.